Hello students, good morning. I am Asma from Zoology faculty from Sri NRI Junior College. Today in this video, I am going to explain you about types of cartilage. Types of cartilages. It is one of the important 4 marks question from first year zoology, that is structural organization in animals. Structural organization in animals. Okay, one of the important question from structural organization in animals is types of cartilages. Types of cartilages. Okay, this is one of the important 4 marks question. Okay, today in this video I am going to explain you about types of cartilages. Before types of cartilages, first we will discuss what is cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is one of the supporting skeletal tissue. It is one of the supporting tissue or skeletal tissue. Okay, cartilage otherwise called gristle. Cartilage otherwise called gristle. It is one of the supporting tissue or skeletal tissue. Next, the matrix of the cartilage. The matrix of the cartilage otherwise called chondrin. What is chondrin? The matrix of the cartilage is called chondrin. Okay, here in cartilage, matrix is firm and somewhat pliable, not much rigid. Okay, next, the matrix of the cartilage. The matrix of the cartilage is secreted by chondroblast cells. Chondroblast cells means the cells which secretes matrix of the cartilage. The cells which secretes matrix of the cartilage is called chondroblast cells. Okay, here cartilage otherwise called gristle. It is one of the supporting tissue or skeletal tissue. The matrix of the cartilage is called chondrin. What is the name of the matrix of the cartilage? Chondrin. Okay, here matrix of the cartilage is secreted by special cells called chondroblast cells. Chondroblast cells are the cartilage matrix secreting cells. Okay, the matrix of the cartilage is firm and somewhat pliable, not much rigid. Okay, next, the matrix of the cartilage is secreted by cells called chondroblast cells. Okay, next, in the matrix of the cartilage, fluid filled spaces are present. Fluid filled spaces present in the matrix of the cartilage are called lacunae. What are lacunae? Fluid filled spaces present in the matrix of the cartilage are called lacunae. Okay, here inside the matrix lacunae are present. What are lacunae? Fluid filled spaces. Fluid filled spaces in the matrix of the cartilage are called lacunae. Each lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. 2 to 4 chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are inactive cells, nothing but mature cartilage cells. Mature cartilage cells are inactive cells. Okay, these chondrocytes are present in lacunae. Here in the lacunae of the cartilage, 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present. 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present, means 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 chondrocytes are present inside the lacunae. What is lacunae? Fluid filled spaces. Fluid filled spaces in the matrix of the cartilage are called lacunae. This lacunae encloses 1 to 4 chondrocytes, which are inactive cells. Okay, matrix forming cells are called chondroblast. Chondroblasts are active cells. These are matrix forming cells. Okay, each lacunae encloses 2 to 4. How many? 2 to 4 chondrocytes. Each lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. What are lacunae? Fluid filled spaces in the matrix are called lacunae. Next, here cartilage. Outer surface of the cartilage is covered by a fibrous connective tissue sheath. cartilage is covered by fibrous connective tissue sheath. It is called perichondrium. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage. Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage is called perichondrium. Perichondrium. Next, this cartilage is avascular. Cartilage is avascular, no blood supply. Okay, it is a avascular type of tissue. So, for the blood supply and for nourishment, this cartilage depends on perichondrium. Perichondrium. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath of the cartilage is called perichondrium. This nourishment and blood supply to the cartilage is by perichondrial cells. Perichondrial cells means the cells present in the perichondrium. The cells of the perichondrium are called perichondrial cells. The nourishment and blood supply to the cartilage is by perichondrial cells. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage. Okay, cartilage is avascular without blood supply. So nourishment and blood supply to the cartilage is by perichondrial cells present in perichondrium. Okay, next, the growth and regeneration of the cartilage. Growth and regeneration of cartilage is also by perichondrial cells. Growth, regeneration is by perichondrial cells. What are perichondrial cells? The cells present in the perichondrium. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage. Okay, next, cartilages are of three types. Cartilages are of three types. This is one of the important 4 marks question from structural organization chapter in first year zoology. Structural organization chapter from first year zoology, one of the important 4 marks question, that is types of cartilage. With that, introduction of the cartilage is completed. Introduction of the cartilage is completed. Now we are going to discuss about important 4 marks question from cartilage is types of cartilages. Types of cartilages. Cartilages are of 3 types. Cartilages are of 3 types. They are hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrous cartilage. What are the 3 types of cartilages? Hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrous cartilage. First, coming to hyaline cartilage. First we will discuss about the hyaline cartilage. This cartilage is bluish white in color. Bluish white in color and translucent, means not much transparent, and it is glass-like cartilage. Glass-like cartilage. It is bluish white in color, translucent, and glass-like cartilage. Glass-like cartilage. Okay, the matrix of the hyaline cartilage is homogeneous. The matrix of the hyaline cartilage is homogeneous, in which very delicate collagen fibers are present which are not visible. Which are not visible due to homogeneous nature of the matrix. Here delicate collagen fibers are present in the matrix of the hyaline cartilage. Okay, this hyaline cartilage is the weakest and common type of all types of cartilage. Which cartilage is the weakest and common type of cartilage among all the 3 cartilages? That is hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is the weakest and common type of cartilage among all the cartilages. Okay, this cartilage consists of delicate collagen fibers, and its matrix is homogeneous. Okay, and it is a glass like cartilage, bluish white in color. Next, this cartilage is covered by perichondrium. Perichondrium is present in hyaline cartilage. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath. Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the hyaline cartilage is called perichondrium. This perichondrium is present in hyaline cartilage. Okay, except articular cartilage. This perichondrium is absent in the articular cartilage. Articular cartilage means free surfaces of the long bones, free surface of the long bones that form joints. Free surfaces of the long bones which forms joints consists of which cartilage? Articular cartilage. At the joining of two long bones, articular cartilage is present. Near articular cartilage, perichondrium is absent. This articular cartilage also an example for hyaline cartilage in which perichondrium is absent. This is the exceptional case. Okay, here but all hyaline cartilages perichondrium is present, but the hyaline cartilage present near the joining of two long bones means near articular cartilage perichondrium is absent. Perichondrium is absent near the articular cartilage. Okay, next this hyaline cartilage, locations of the hyaline cartilage. This hyaline cartilage is present in embryonic endoskeleton of bony vertebrates. Embryonic endoskeleton. In embryonic stages, endoskeleton of bony vertebrates is made up of with hyaline cartilage. Embryonic endoskeleton of bony vertebrates is made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, endoskeleton of cyclostomes. Cyclostomes means jawless fishes, Petromyzon and Myxin. Petromyzon and Myxins. Endoskeleton of cyclostomes, round-mouthed animals which are jawless vertebrates. Jawless vertebrates, that is cyclostomes, in which endoskeleton is made up of with hyaline cartilage. Endoskeleton of cyclostomes also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, endoskeleton of adult cartilaginous fishes. Adult cartilaginous fishes, endoskeleton also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Okay, next, costal cartilage. Costal cartilage, the hyaline cartilage which is present near the sternal parts of the ribs. Ribs means side bones. The cartilage which is present near the sternal parts of the ribs is called costal cartilage. This costal cartilage also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Costal cartilage means which is present near the sternal parts of the ribs. Ribs means side bones. Okay, the costal cartilage also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, the epiphyseal plates. Epiphyseal plates. Epiphyseal plates of the long bones and nasal septum. Nasal septum. Nasal septum also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Nasal septum cartilage means it is also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, cartilaginous rings of trachea. Cartilaginous rings of trachea, that is air tube. Okay, cartilaginous rings, C-shaped cartilaginous rings of the trachea and bronchi also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, cartilages of the larynx. Larynx means voice box. Cartilage is made, here larynx is made up of with 9 types of cartilage. These cartilages are also made up of with hyaline cartilage. This is about the hyaline cartilage. Now I will show you diagram of hyaline cartilage. Here is the diagram of hyaline cartilage. In hyaline cartilage, matrix is homogeneous. Matrix is homogeneous. Very thin, delicate collagen fibers are present which are not visible. Which are not visible. Matrix. Here matrix is made up. Matrix is homogeneous and it is made up of with delicate collagen fibers. Okay. Next, inside the matrix, many fluid-filled spaces are present. These are called lacunae. This lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. 2 or 3 or 4 chondrocytes. Okay. Once again, the hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage, matrix of the hyaline cartilage is homogeneous and it consists of delicate collagen fibers. Delicate collagen fibers. Next, this cartilage is covered with a outer fibrous connective tissue sheath called perichondrium. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the hyaline cartilage is called perichondrium. Next, matrix of the hyaline cartilage is homogeneous, which consists of delicate collagen fibers. Next, in the matrix, fluid-filled spaces are present. They are called lacunae, red-colored lacunae. Inside this lacunae, 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present. 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present. What are the locations of the hyaline cartilage? Once again, I will repeat. This hyaline cartilage is present in the cartilaginous rings of trachea and bronchi, C-shaped cartilaginous rings of trachea, bronchi, cartilages of the larynx means voice box. Next, nasal septum. Nasal septum. Our nasal chambers are separated by nasal septum. No, that nasal septum also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, epiphyseal plates. Epiphyseal plates and costal cartilage, that is sternal parts of the ribs, also made up of with hyaline cartilage. Next, articular cartilage means the cartilage which is present at the joining of two long bones. It is called articular cartilage, which is also a hyaline cartilage, but near articular cartilage, perichondrium is absent. But all the hyaline cartilage consists of perichondrium except articular cartilage. And embryonic endoskeleton of bony vertebrates, endoskeleton of cyclostomes, adult cartilaginous fishes, adult cartilaginous fishes, adult cartilaginous fishes, endoskeleton also made up of with hyaline cartilages. Okay, this is about the hyaline cartilage. Once again, look at the diagram of hyaline cartilage. Hyaline cartilage is covered by outer fibrous connective tissue sheath called perichondrium. The matrix of the hyaline cartilage is homogeneous and it consists of very delicate collagen fibers, and matrix consists of fluid-filled spaces. These spaces are called lacunae. Inside the lacunae, 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present. 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present. Once again, I will repeat cartilage. This is hyaline cartilage, bluish white translucent glass-like cartilage. Matrix is homogeneous, which consists of delicate collagen fibers, and it is the weakest and common type of cartilage. Perichondrium is present except articular cartilage. We already discussed about the locations of the hyaline cartilage, that is embryonic endoskeleton of bony vertebrates, endoskeleton of cyclostomes, jawless vertebrates, and adult endoskeleton of the cartilaginous fishes, costal cartilage, epiphyseal plates, nasal septum, and cartilaginous rings, C-shaped cartilaginous rings of trachea and bronchi, cartilages of larynx. Now we are going to discuss about the elastic cartilage. Second type of cartilage is elastic cartilage. Okay, here elastic cartilage, otherwise called yellow cartilage, because it consists of the matrix of the elastic cartilage consists of many elastic fibers and also collagen fibers. This is the only cartilage with yellow elastic fibers. Here yellow elastic fibers are made up of with elastin protein. Which protein? Elastin protein. This is the only cartilage which consists of yellow elastic fibers and also consists of collagen fibers. Collagen fibers. They consist of both yellow elastic fibers and collagen fibers. Okay? Here elastic fibers are more in number in elastic cartilage. They are yellow in color. This elastic cartilage provides strength and elasticity. It provides strength and elasticity. Elastic cartilage provides strength and elasticity. Okay? Next, this elastic cartilage is also covered by outer fibrous connective tissue sheath called perichondrium. Means for elastic cartilage, perichondrium is present. Perichondrium is present for elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage, otherwise called yellow cartilage. It consists of more number of yellow elastic fibers in addition to collagen fibers. Okay? Next, they provide strength. This cartilage provides strength and elasticity. It provides strength and elasticity. Means it shows rubber band like nature. It provides strength and elasticity. And it consists of perichondrium. What is perichondrium? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage is called perichondrium. So perichondrium is present in elastic cartilage. What are the locations of the elastic cartilage? Elastic cartilage is present in the eustachian tube of the ear and external ear pinna. Our external ear pinna is made up of with elastic cartilage and eustachian tube of the ear also made up of with elastic cartilage and epiglottis. Epiglottis means a lid-like structure which covers the glottis. A lid-like structure which covers the glottis is called epiglottis. This epiglottis also made up of with elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage. Once again, examples of elastic cartilage are locations of the elastic cartilage in our body. Eustachian tube of the ear and external ear called pinna. Our external ear pinna and epiglottis. It is a lid-like structure which covers the glottis. These three are made up of with elastic cartilage. Here all the examples started with E. Eustachian tube, external ear, epiglottis. All the examples started with E. Remember this. Okay? Next, we will discuss fibrous cartilage. What is fibrous cartilage? This is the third type of cartilage. And which is the strongest of all the types of cartilage. Fibrous cartilage. It is also important VSAQ. Which is the strongest type of cartilage among all the cartilages? Fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is the strongest type of all the cartilages. Okay? The matrix of the cartilage consists of collagen fibers only. Yellow elastic fibers are absent in the fibrous cartilage. In fibrous cartilage, matrix consists of only yellow elastic fibers. Matrix of the fibrous cartilage. Matrix of the fibrous cartilage consists of only collagen fibers. Yellow elastic fibers are absent. Only collagen fibers are abundant in the matrix of the fibrous cartilage. Next, for the fibrous cartilage, perichondrium is absent. This is very, very important for NEET and EAMCET also. Here perichondrium means outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the cartilage is absent in fibrous cartilage. Means fibrous cartilage is without perichondrium. It consists of only collagen fibers. And yellow elastic fibers are absent in fibrous cartilage, and it is the strongest of all the types of cartilages. Next, examples of the or locations of the fibrous cartilage are intervertebral disc. Intervertebral disc means our vertebral column is made up of with vertebrae, no? Our vertebral column means backbone, వెన్నెముక. దేంతో తయారవుతుంది? వెన్నుపూసలతో తయారవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇంటర్వర్టిబ్రల్ డిస్క్ మీన్స్ ద డిస్క్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద వర్టిబ్రే. ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ ద వర్టిబ్రే, వెన్నుపూసల మధ్య ఉండే డిస్క్లు దేంతో తయారవుతాయి? ఫైబ్రస్ కార్టిలేజ్. ఇంటర్వర్టిబ్రల్ డిస్క్. These discs are present between the successive vertebrae of the vertebral column or backbone. Intervertebral discs are made up of with fibrous cartilage and pubic symphysis of the pelvic girdle. Pubic symphysis of the pelvic girdle. What is pelvic girdle? The skeletal structure which gives support to our legs and protects vital organs present in abdomen region. Okay, here pubic symphysis of pelvic girdle and intervertebral disc are example for fibrous cartilage. Once again, matrix of the fibrous cartilage made up of with collagen fibers, yellow elastic fibers are absent, perichondrium also absent, strongest of all the types of cartilages, and they are present in intervertebral disc, pubic symphysis of the pelvic girdle. Now look at the diagram. Here perichondrium is absent. This is the diagram of fibrous cartilage in which perichondrium is absent. Matrix consists of many parallelly arranged collagen fibers. Many parallelly arranged collagen fibers. Yellow elastic fibers are absent. Next, in the matrix, fluid filled spaces are present. They are called lacunae. This lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. 2 to 4 chondrocytes are present in the lacunae. This is the diagram of fibrous cartilage. Once again, the matrix of the fibrous cartilage consists of many collagen fibers. Yellow elastic fibers are absent. Okay, here in the matrix, many fluid filled spaces are present. They are called lacunae. Lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. Okay, location is intervertebral disc, pubic symphysis of the pelvic girdle. Next we will discuss about the elastic cartilage with the help of diagram. With the help of diagram, this elastic cartilage is covered by outer fibrous connective tissue layer, connective tissue sheath called perichondrium. Elastic cartilage is covered with perichondrium. Okay, next matrix of the elastic cartilage consists of elastic fibers as well as collagen fibers. Both types of fibers. Which fibers are more in number? Elastic fibers. Yellow elastic fibers are present. More number of yellow elastic fibers are present in addition to the collagen fibers. Means elastic cartilage consists of yellow elastic fibers and also white collagen fibers. White collagen fibers and yellow elastic fibers. Which fibers are dominant in elastic cartilage? Yellow elastic fibers. Okay, in between the matrix, lacunae are present. Lacunae are present. Fluid filled spaces which encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. 2 to 4 chondrocytes. These are lacunae which encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. This is about the elastic cartilage. With that, explanation of cartilage is completed. Next we will discuss Haversian system. It is also one of the important 4 marks question from first year zoology, that is structural organization in animals, second unit of the first year zoology. Okay, here Haversian system, it is one of the important 4 marks question from structural organization in animals. Now we are going to discuss about Haversian system. What is Haversian system? These are the units of bone. Bone otherwise called osseous tissue. Bone otherwise called osseous tissue. Osseous tissue means bone. The matrix of the bone is solid, hard and rigid, not flexible, not flexible. The matrix of the bone is solid, hard and rigid, means not flexible. This bone is otherwise called osseous tissue, and bone is highly vascular. Bone is highly vascular. It is one of the supporting or skeletal tissue. Bone is the one of the supporting or skeletal tissue. Bone otherwise called osseous tissue. Next, what are the units of bones or osseous tissue? Haversian system. Haversian system is the units of bone. What are Haversian systems? These are the units of the bone or osseous tissue. Haversian system otherwise called osteon. Haversian system otherwise called osteon. What is osteon or Haversian system? These are the units of the bone. Bone otherwise called osseous tissue. The matrix of the bone is solid, hard and rigid. Rigid means not flexible, and bone matrix of the bone is highly vascular, means with rich blood supply. Okay, next, now we will discuss about the Haversian system. This is one of the important 4 marks question. This Haversian system consists of Haversian canal. Haversian system consists of Haversian canal which runs parallel to the marrow cavity. Haversian system consists of a canal. That canal is called Haversian canal. This Haversian canal runs parallel to the marrow cavity. What is marrow cavity? The cavity inside the bone is called marrow cavity. This Haversian system consists of canals. That canals are called Haversian canals. This Haversian canals runs parallel to the marrow cavity of the bone. Okay, marrow cavity means the cavity of the bone is called marrow cavity. Okay, this Haversian canal consists of lymph vessels, artery and vein. Haversian canal consists of lymph vessel, artery and vein. Haversian canals runs parallel to the marrow cavity. Okay, next, this Haversian canal is surrounded by concentric rings of bone lamellae. Haversian canal, HC means here, Haversian canal is surrounded by concentric rings of bone lamellae. Concentric rings of bone lamellae. Bone lamellae is nothing but matrix of the bone. Matrix of the bone otherwise called bone lamellae. Each Haversian canal is surrounded by concentric rings of bone lamellae. Bone lamellae means matrix of the bone. Okay? In between these lamellae, fluid-filled spaces are present. Fluid-filled spaces present in between the lamellae are called lacunae. What are lacunae? Small fluid-filled spaces in between the lamellae. In between the bone lamellae are called lacunae. What are lacunae? They are present in between the bone lamellae. Lacunae are present in between the bone lamellae. These lacunae are nothing but small fluid-filled spaces in between the lamellae. This lacunae consists of from the lacunae, many small processes arise. They are called canaliculi. Next, lacunae also encloses cells called osteocytes, which are inactive. Each lacunae, what are lacunae? Fluid-filled spaces in between the bone lamellae are called lacunae. Each lacunae encloses one osteocyte, which is inactive. Okay, inactive form of the osteoblast. Means in each lacunae, in Haversian system, each lacunae consists of how many osteocytes? Single osteocyte only. But in the case of cartilage, lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. In the case of cartilage, matrix encloses lacunae of the cartilage, lacunae of the cartilage encloses 2 to 4 chondrocytes. But the matrix of the Haversian system consists of lacunae. No? This lacunae encloses only one osteocyte. But in the case of cartilage, lacunae encloses 2 to 4 chondrocyte. But in the case of Haversian system, lacunae encloses single osteocyte which is inactive. Okay. Next, lacunae also consists of canal liculi. These are small radial canals. From the lacunae, canal liculi arise. They are small radial canals which arises from the lacunae are called canal liculi. Canal liculi connects one lacunae with another lacunae and also connected to Haversian canal. Okay, this canal liculi connects one lacunae with another lacunae and also connected to Haversian canal. What are canal liculi? These canal liculi are nothing but radial canals which arises from the lacunae. What are lacunae? Fluid-filled spaces in the bone matrix or in between the bone lamellae. Okay. Here the diagram of Haversian system. Here this is the Haversian canal. Haversian system consists of Haversian canal. Haversian system otherwise called osteon. What are osteon or Haversian system? These are the units of bones. Bone otherwise called osseous tissue. Presence of Haversian system is the characteristic feature of mammalian bone. These Haversian systems are found only in mammalian bones, means bones of mammals. Okay, Haversian system otherwise called osteon. Here osteon or Haversian system is nothing but units of bone otherwise called osseous tissue. Okay, this Haversian system consists of a Haversian canal. This Haversian canal consists of a artery, vein and lymph vessels. This is Haversian canal. This blue color one is Haversian canal. This Haversian canal encloses vein, artery and lymph vessel. Haversian canal consists of vein, artery and lymph vessel. Okay, around the Haversian canal. This Haversian canal runs parallel to the marrow cavity. Haversian canal runs parallel to the marrow cavity. Marrow cavity means cavity of the bone. This Haversian canal encloses lymph vessels, artery and vein. Okay, next, around the Haversian canal, concentric rings of bone lamellae are present. Concentric rings of bone lamellae are present. Bone lamellae are nothing but matrix of the bone. Matrix of the bone is called bone lamellae. Around the Haversian canal, concentric rings of bone lamellae are present. What is bone lamellae? It is nothing but matrix of the bone. Matrix of the bone is called bone lamellae. Okay, in between this bone lamellae, fluid-filled spaces are present. They are called lacunae. Each lacunae encloses one osteocyte. Only one osteocyte, which is inactive form of osteoblast. Okay, each lacunae encloses how many osteocytes? Only one osteocyte. Okay, next, here one transverse oblique canal is also present. This oblique or transverse canal. Oblique or transverse canal. The oblique transverse canal is called Walkman's canal. Walkman's canal. These Haversian canals communicate with each other and also with periosteum and also connected to marrow cavity by Walkman's canal. Walkman's canals means these are the oblique or transverse canals. Oblique or transverse canals. Here, Haversian canals. Haversian canals communicate with each other and with the periosteum and also by marrow cavity by Walkman's canals. Haversian canals. Haversian canal of one Haversian system communicate with the Haversian canal of another Haversian system. And also with periosteum. Periosteum means outer fibrous connective tissue sheath. Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the matrix of the bone is called periosteum. Periosteum means outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the bone is called periosteum. Periosteum. Here Haversian canals communicate with each other and with the periosteum and also with the marrow cavity by Walkman's canals. Walkman's canals means these are the oblique or transverse canals. These are the oblique or transverse canals, nothing but Walkman's canals. How this one Haversian canal is communicate with another Haversian canal, periosteum and also communicate with the marrow cavity by oblique or transverse canals called Walkman's canals. Once again I will repeat, Haversian canals communicate with each other and also with the periosteum. What is periosteum? Outer fibrous connective tissue sheath which covers the bone. Okay, here periosteum and also marrow cavity by Walkman's canals. Walkman's canals means these are the oblique or transverse canals present in the Haversian system. Okay, next, through these Walkman's canals, blood vessels, nerves and lymph vessels. Through these Walkman's canals means transverse or oblique canals. Through these Walkman's canals, BV means here blood vessels, N means nerves and lymphatic vessels. From the surface, blood vessels, nerves and lymph vessels from the surface of bone reach the Haversian canal. How these blood vessels, nerves, lymph vessels from the surface of the bone reach the Haversian canal? Through Walkman's canal. Through Walkman's canal, blood vessels, nerves, lymph vessels from the surface of bone reach the Haversian canal. Okay. Next, nutrients, gases diffuse from the vascular supply of Haversian canal. Nutrients, gases diffuse from the vascular supply means blood supply of Haversian canal. Okay. Through Walkman's canal, blood vessels, nerves, lymph vessels from the surface of the bone reach the Haversian canal. How these blood vessels, nerves, lymphs reaches the Haversian canals? Through oblique canals, that nothing but Walkman's canals. And nutrients, gases diffuses from the vascular supply of Haversian canal. Okay. Next, each lacunae encloses single osteocyte, no? This osteocyte, this is the lacunae, enlarged diagram of lacunae. This lacunae encloses single osteocyte. Lacunae encloses single osteocyte. This is lacunae. This lacunae encloses single osteocyte. This is osteocyte. This is lacunae. From the osteocyte, many cytoplasmic processes arise. Many cytoplasmic processes arise. Okay? From the osteocyte, each lacunae encloses single osteocyte, no? From this osteocyte, cytoplasmic processes arise. The cytoplasmic processes of osteocyte extends through the canal liculi. Canal liculi means each lacunae is provided with canal liculi. Each lacunae is provided with canal liculi. These are canal liculi. These are canal liculi. Each lacunae are provided with canal liculi. Okay? The cytoplasmic processes of the osteocytes. Cytoplasmic processes of the osteocytes extends through the canal liculi. Canal liculi formed from lacunae, no? They interconnected with the network of cells. These cytoplasmic processes of the osteocytes extends through the canal liculi and interconnected with the network of osteocytes. Network of osteocytes or network of cells. Understood? Once again I will repeat. Each lacunae encloses one osteocyte. From the lacunae, many canal liculi arise. What are canal liculi? These are the radial canals which are formed from lacunae. Okay? Next, inside each lacunae, a single osteocyte is present. From the surface of the osteocyte, many cytoplasmic processes arise. These cytoplasmic processes extends into the canal liculi of the lacunae, and they are interconnected with the network of cells. They are interconnected with the network of cells. Once again, cytoplasmic processes of the osteocytes extends through the canal liculi and interconnected with the network of cells. Okay, each lacunae encloses how many osteocytes? Single osteocyte. Okay, this is about the Haversian system. Once again, I will repeat. This Haversian system, otherwise called osteon. Haversian system, otherwise called osteon. These are the units of the bone. Presence of Haversian system is the characteristic feature of mammalian bones. In only bones of the mammals, this Haversian system is present. Presence of Haversian system is the characteristic feature of mammalian bones. Presence of Haversian system is the characteristic feature of mammalian bones. Okay, what is Haversian system or osteon? What is the definition of Haversian system or osteon? Haversian canal, their surrounding bone lamellae and lacunae. A Haversian canal and concentric rings of bone lamellae and lacunae all together form Haversian system or osteon. What is osteon or Haversian system? Haversian canal and their surrounding concentric rings of bone lamellae and lacunae all together called Haversian system or osteon. Presence of Haversian system is the characteristic feature of mammalian bone. Okay? Now this Haversian canal runs parallel to the marrow cavity. Haversian canal encloses artery, vein and lymph vessel. Okay? Next, this Haversian canal is surrounded by concentric bone lamellae. Concentric bone lamellae, nothing but matrix of the bone. This Haversian canal is surrounded by concentric rings of bone lamellae, nothing but matrix of the bone. In between these bone lamellae, lacunae are present. These are small fluid-filled spaces which enclose a single osteocyte. Single osteocyte. Okay? Next, what is Haversian system or osteon? A Haversian canal and their surrounding concentric rings of bone lamellae, lacunae, altogether called Haversian system. Next, oblique transverse canal called Walkman's canal. Haversian canals communicate with another Haversian canal. One Haversian canal communicate with another Haversian canal and with the periosteum and also with the marrow cavity by Walkman's canals. What are Walkman's canals? These are the oblique or transverse canals. Okay, this is about the Haversian system, and this is very, very important 4 marks question for IPE. In next class, we will discuss lymph. Write short notes on lymph. Okay, thank you very much, students.